Hello everyone, this is Yashika and I welcome you all to this course on Python. And I will be your instructor and I hope you guys are excited to learn this course. So without wasting much of our time, let's just get started. So as we are going to start this course, let us start from the introduction. So Python is a readable, fast and a powerful language. It is a high-level programming language when it is compared to the other programming languages such as C or C++. Python is also considered as the most accessible programming language as it is suitable for general purposes. Now, let us know some history about Python. In late 1980s, Python was first conceptualized by Guido van Rossum at the CWI. Python was designed for its readability as it has similarities with the English language. Guido van Rossum published the very first version of Python code, that is 0.9.0, at the alt sources. Now let us know some few more things about Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language when it is compared to other programming languages such as C or C++. C or C++ contains some syntaxes and semicolons without which the program will not be executed and there will be some errors. But in Python, we use new line to complete a command. It is simpler when compared to the other languages. Now, let us know what can a Python do. Python can be used to handle the big data. It can be used in web development. It can also be used to read and modify files and perform the complex mathematics. Now, let us know why Python. Firstly, we should know that Python is platform independent. It means that it can be run on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python is object-oriented. It has fewer lines for execution when it is compared to the other programming languages. It has no computations and linkings. Now, let us know the applications of Python. Python is used in GUI, business application, web development, games, and many more. Some features about Python are: it is simple, they have fewer lines, and no initialization is required. In Python is also a case sensitive. It means that the small alphabet A is not as same as the capital alphabet A. They both mean different.